Hi, good afternoon. Myself Nutan. I welcome you all to my channel Exploring the World of Investment. Today we will see what is the Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana. Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana is a government of India backed savings scheme targeted for the parents of the girl child. So this scheme is introduced by our Pradhan Mantri Mr. Narendra Modi in the year 2015. So it's a part of Beti Bachao and Beti Padhao Yojana. So the scheme encourages the parents of the girl child to make a corpus for that girl child's higher educations and the marriage expenses, and this can be taken for the parents those whose child is less than 10 years old. This is the minimum annual contribution for the scheme is rupees 250 and maximum is rupees 1,50,000 in the financial year. You have to invest at least minimum amount every year or up to the 15 years from the date of account opening. Okay, so total SSY period is that of 21 years. For till 15 years you have to invest the funds, and then next 6 years you can keep there is no need to invest the money. Okay, that amount will lie within that yojanas, in that schemes, and then and you can up to 21 years, and until the girl child marries after 18 years you can withdraw those funds. So this account, as I said, this account can be opened by the parent of a girl child below 10 years. Minimum amount of investment is rupees 250. Maximum amount of investment rupees 1,50,000 in a financial year. Okay. The tenure of investment is the 18 years, and you have to hold this scheme till 21 years. After 21 years or after the completion of 18 years for the marriage expenses, you can withdraw these funds. The current rate of interest offered for this account is 7.6%. The amount invested into this fund is eligible for the income tax benefit, income tax rebate up to under 80 section of Income Tax Act 1961. So you can invest up to 1.5 lakhs into that, and it's a long term investment scheme which provides benefits of annual compounding. So even small amount will give you a good benefit, a great benefit for over the period of long time. So you have to invest at least for 15 years. Minimum amount you can start with the 250 rupees also. So you can at least invest for up to the 15 years from the date of account opening. Thereafter account will continue to earn interest till the maturity, that is the 21 years, and even if you don't do any deposits after 15 years into that. So girl child can operate after the completion of 18 years. The girl child can operate this account on her own, and the account can be, she can open the account submitting her proofs like her age documents and all that. She can then the account can be can be transferred into her single name. So again, this account can be opened in banks. You can open it in the financial institutions, plus you can open this account into the post offices. I would like to explain this scheme with one illustration. Okay, so if suppose you start the Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana in the year 2021, you will be paying the funds, you will be investing the funds for next 15 years. Next 6 years you don't have to pay any amount. Okay, so if you consider 1,50,000 per annum basis, so next 15 years you are going to pay rupees 22,50,000. That is the over period of 15 years. Okay, next year 6 years you don't have to pay any amount. You can earn the interest, compounding interest on that, and in the considering the rate of interest 7.6, which is applicable in the year 2021. So at this rate you can, on the maturity, that is in the year 2041, you are going to get 63,65,155. Means total interest earned on this scheme by you is 41,15,155. So this is I urge everybody, the whose girl child is less than 10 years, they should take the advantage of this scheme. Please enroll yourself. Please share this video with your friends, colleagues, so that they will come to know the benefits of this plan. Yeah, so if you're having any kind of doubts, any queries, you can put it into the comment box and I will definitely get back to you on this. Yeah, thank you very much.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.